So today I'm going to do a bike check. Starting off, I got the Animal Edwin grips and the Animal Barends. I also have the Stolen Cell Bars, 8.25 rise by, I think it's 28.5 width. And yeah, so next I have the Shadow Conspiracy TL stem, top load stem. It's pretty good. The frame is a Funday 2009 frame, 20.75 top tube, and the headset in it is a Cane Creek integrated headset. Next I have the Eastern Hawkeye forks, and for the wheel it's a Salt front hub laced to a Salt rim. It's not that great. The tire is a Animal GLH 20 by 2.1 tire. I have in both the front and the back. Onto the sprocket. It's a Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth. Cranks are Eastern Nomad cranks, and the pedals are Stolen Thermalite pedals in blue. Chain is a Mechanik's hollow Trac chain, I think, whatever they're called, or half track or whatever. It's a half length blue chain, pretty good. Back wheel sucks. Salt back hub, and it's not sealed, so all the bearings fall out. Laced to a Salt rim again. It sucks, don't buy it. It's only like $80 though. And the same tire in the back as the front, and then the seat is a Shadow Conspiracy plastic seat and a, what is this? I don't even know what kind of seat post.